Quail is like the sophisticated, tiny cousin of the chicken. Deliciously gamey, incredibly tender, and surprisingly easy to overcook if you aren't careful. Since you're feeding 4, the best way to handle these little birds is the sear and roast method. It gives you that crispy skin we all crave while keeping the meat juicy. Here is how to nail the meal. Part 1. The quail, pan-to-oven method. For 4 people, you'll want 8 quails, 2 per person. Ingredients: 8 whole quails, patted dry, butter and olive oil, for searing. Seasoning: salt, cracked black pepper, and a sprig of fresh thyme or rosemary. Optional: a squeeze of lemon or a splash of honey for the final glaze. The technique: prep. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees, 400 degrees. Pat the birds dry with paper towels. Moisture is the enemy of crispy skin. Season them generously inside and out. The sear. Heat a large oven-proof skillet over medium-high heat with a mix of oil and butter. Once the butter foams, place the quails in the pan. Sear for 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown. The roast. Move the entire skillet into the oven. Roast for 8 to 10 minutes. Quail is best served slightly pink at the bone, medium rare to medium. The rest. This is the most important part. Let the birds rest on a warm plate for 5 minutes before serving. This allows the juices to redistribute. Part 2. The great salad, arugula, pear and walnut. This salad is bright and acidic, which cuts right through the richness of the quail. Ingredients: serves 4. Greens, 150 green, about 5 to 6 cups of baby arugula. Fruit: 2 firm but ripe pears, thinly sliced. Crunch: 1–2 cup toasted walnuts, roughly chopped. Cheese: 100-gram shaved Parmesan or crumbled Gorgonzola. The dressing: 3 tsp extra virgin olive oil, 1 tsp balsamic vinegar, 1 tsp Dijon mustard, 1 tsp honey, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: whisk the dressing ingredients in a small bowl until emulsified. Toss the arugula and pear slices gently with the dressing in a large bowl. Plate the salad and top with the toasted walnuts and cheese right before serving to keep the crunch alive. Pro tip for success: the spatchcock secret. If you're nervous about even cooking, use kitchen shears to cut out the backbone of the quail and flatten them, spatchcocking. They will cook faster and more evenly in the pan, and every inch of skin will get crispy.